Alright, let's try this again. Come on, go.
Remember, no teaming. No teaming.
Yeah, no teaming.
Yay.
Okay.
Yeah, we got this. Totally no teaming, yes?
Finally! I'm not also the card.
Alright. Yes, a different role! Other than crewmate, it's engineer.
Now let's.
Okay, I have no idea where I'm going. 1 second.
Somebody's dying.
Not really, damn it!
Oh, if it's just Bakugo, then it doesn't matter.
It's just me! For the love of God!
Yeah, I don't care. If it's Bakugo, meh. If it's nightpelt, shit hits the fan.
Well, that's a good rhyme.
I don't like this.
What's the? Okay, there it is.
I don't like this.
Oh, hold up. I gotta. There we go.
Nightpelt, why aren't you talking?
I think Nightpelt's just naturally muted.
Why not?
Oh wait, you have COVID too?
Oh boy.
Did I not mention that earlier?
I know, right? It's totally crazy. I mean, sure.
Wait, guys?
Apparently I did not mention it. Apparently I did not mention it.
He would be a great musician.
No, it's not. It's not me. I'm the one that reported. It's not me. It's not me.
It's not me.
It's not me. It is not me. I only happen to find this.
Not me.
Hey,
So.
okay. What is it?
Best friend. Nothing more.
I voted.
Yep. I voted too.
Oh, gee.
So, did I really not tell you, Nightpelt?
No, if you had not been so paranoid and jealous that Lou and Xander were together before, they would not be together now. How musically ironic.
Hey,
They just
no, I voted for Josh.
No.
Alright, I gotta get all the switches together. Nope.
Wait.
That's the wrong order.
I gotta find somebody.
There's one.
Oh, I found somebody.
Where the hell's one?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, for... Okay.
I know, it's like a maze down there.
Mm-hmm. And the switches are random.
Hey, that was weird.
Alright, no dead yet. I'm a scientist, so I know.
Besides that,
That background is loud as fuck.
I'm sorry, I like TV!
You like TV? Yeah. Well, people.
somebody wants to get
For
into
fuck's sake.
You're the excited.
Dude, are you still in electrical? Get the hell out of electrical.
Yeah, I'm still in electrical. And I'm out.
I don't trust Josh. Sorry, Josh, I don't trust you.
No.
Give me a second.
Hmm.
Oh, got it. Funny. And nice. And
Oh my god, I hate this burger menu. I'm reading from top to bottom. It's literally lettuce, onion, tomato, and lettuce.
and if those girls don't see that, it's their boss. You really
What
think
is it?
so? Absolutely.
Tomato.
Hello.
Oh my god!
Jesus
I knew it.
fucking hell.
I had to beat
You, Josh.
John,
How dare you? You went straight after me.
John, by the way, here's a rule for you. Here's a rule you must follow.
Yeah.
Whenever I got a feeling about someone, 9 times out of 10, it's them.
Oh.
Do the countdown for it, the countdown.
Yeah,
Best countdown ever.
that's right.
Down.
Okay.
Okay, I'm crewmate.
Alright.
Damn it, I'm crewmate.
Yeah, there we go.
I'm scientist.
Darn it, I'm crewmate.
He's crewmate for
We
the love of
can't all, we
God.
all say crewmate.
I said scientist. Right after crewmate. I said scientist. Now
I
I'm
don't
scientist.
believe you.
Always have, always will be.
But that's all we want.
Yeah.
Goodness.
Well, you sounded like Peter
What the
Griffin.
hell was that?
What?
You see, Bakugo's sick too. You hear them snorts?
No, that's the wrong snort. That is the wrong snort.
I don't,
Wait, did Josh die? Thank you.
I don't like this. I don't.
Okay, what? I gotta fix the lights. Alright, they're fixed.
Sean, be careful. There's somebody around here. No, I'm
What
not.
the hell is this menu?
Hey, Sean. Bye, Sean.
Bye, Sean! Bye, Sean! What did you just... Hey, Sean! Hey, Sean! Bye, Sean! Hi, Sean! Bye, Sean!
Oh my god, Josh!
You know what? Me and
Hey,
Sean
what's up,
say
Brian?
like when we leave? See ya. I say see ya. He says see ya.
Nope, that's not the way to go.
I'm lost.
Do you see, Sean, the map thing? That'll show you where you need to go. Do you see like that map thing on the top? You got it?
Oh, you gotta
Yeah.
be shitting me. I have the tape. Oh, thank God, it's only 6 seconds.
Our connection's poor. Let's just find a good connection. No, we're not saying like. I'm just saying like.
No, please.
What?
What the hell is going on? What the hell was that?
I am
Jesus,
so
what
confused
was that?
right now.
Yeah, we got dibs.
What in the hell was that?
Yeah, what? Nightpelt just worrying. Well, not worry.
So it's between you two.
Oh,
Oh, what about you?
We know it could be you.
Oh, to your defense.
You wanna know? You won't know who I voted.
But
So you voted yourself?
Could you pick up the garbage?
I guess you
Let's
did.
let's all blind vote.
Of course.
That was so funny.
You guys just lost.
Nah, even if it is Bucko, he deserves a win.
That was so funny.
Well, thank you guys.
Now,
Thank you guys.
now Bakugo, hold on. In my defense, Bakugo hardly gets imposter when we play in a group, and he deserves a win.
Thank
Okay,
you.
here's the thing. I'm an engineer, and so I know I'm the only one who can fit besides Impossible. Then I see Bucky go jump out of the vent, and so I start running to the button. That's why I unmuted, screaming.
and then you discover Josh's body. You stop and boom! I shanked you.
There, now we're all
I was trying to
guaranteed a
get them.
special role.
I saw Nightpelt in Josh's bodies.
This is
I
so
immediately
funny.
stopped.
Ah,
Engineer.
All right.
ooh.
Wait, Brian said don't say who you are, right?
Oh
Yeah. I give up trying to get that download button, so.
fever, draft, and a bit.
Thunder.
Jesus.
Gee, I'd love to help.
Not gonna say anything then.
Seawers. Oh, tell.
Swear words.
What are you talking about?
No.
I said Seawers.
C words.
Difference.
Okay, now we gotta put the crash.
It's
Come on, let's go.
3,
We gotta get-
Wait, never mind. 0, 5, 3, 2, 1.
Bucko, you go back.
Okay.
Just in case.
All right.
Hi. Where? Oh. That's where it was. I was looking for that.
Hey, Betigo.
Hey, what's up, Josh?
Okay, and you dead over there?
No, not dead. Still alive.
Cool.
I'm alive. Sadly.
You are? Oh, come on. You okay?
What is going on?
You sick?
No.
No, she's pushing up daisies.
What?
Pushing up daisies.
What's that?
Showers broke.
Yeah. Can I open this door? For God's sake!
I'm on left side.
5, 2, 3.
I can't open this door.
5, 2, 3.
Why does it say too fast? I'm not going too fast! Come on!
For Christ's sakes.
I can't open this door!
Here, want me to try?
Someone went to the other side.
I can't go to the other side. This door is locked.
I just saw you.
Where are you guys?
No. Someone's shapeshifting is me.
I know.
Oh no.
Okay, no, get that side.
I think it's Sean.
Where?
I feel like it's Sean.
It is Sean. I need help.
I can't open this door. I gotta go around.
Nice.
Thirsty much?
Shit.
Okay,
We put the door.
Yes.
Alright,
I don't know his name. Sean. It's Sean. Sean. Oh my goodness.
I kinda feel like it's Sean.
That was so funny.
Which Sean is it? That's my question.
I'm dead.
Sean.
Which Sean is it?
Sean.
It's you!
It's your mom.
I feel like he voted for me. I'm always getting a vote. Why am I getting a vote? I feel like it's you.
I heard you struggling with that door, and then I saw another you. I'm like, that's not him.
Yep.
So I heard Bucky go like pretending with the card pieces.
God, I hated struggling with that door. I hated that door.
Dude, the one risk of being shapeshifter is if you shapeshift into the wrong person and run into that person, you're basically fucked.
Yeah.
I just realized that too.
Yeah.
You gotta run. You better run and catch them. Which is
Yeah.
why when that green person spotted me that one round, I killed him right away.
Yeah.
I think so.
I can tell you stole.
Yes.
Come on,
Can I
nightpelt.
get the imposter, please?
Nightpelt, let me ask you something. Okay, so
Towns.
the government did a test.
FBI open up.
No, hold on. The government did a test, and there were 2 drones involved. One was piloted by a professional pilot.
Oh, I heard this.
The other was piloted by a gamer like us. And guess who did better?
Why don't gamers just join the army? Clearly we are more superior.
Only when it comes to that kind of thing.
I bet you we don't need aimbot where we're going.
Okay, and it's proven that it increases your reaction skills.
Can I... Wait, is there a vent into Vault?
Yeah, there actually is.
I want to vent into Vault, because I am engineer.
No one's dead yet. I just checked the vitals.
Oh, same.
I have a stupid download. So I can't vote Mingo, so I have to vote Josh.
I feel like it's Josh.
Josh, is it you? Time to confess.
No.
Hold on. Wait. Hold on 1 second. Josh, in the main hall, how come you turned... How about when we met in the main hall, I was going to electrical. How you turned around and faced me like, hey, Bakugo, and proceeded to chase me. Why'd you do that?
I don't know. Maybe I was trying to do another task.
How is breathable cotton going to help us?
Right.
This is not Josh. I think I have a suspicion of who it is. But I'm not sure if I can vote for them. Wait, why me?
What just happened?
Bakugo, did you vote for me?
No, I did not. I did not.
I did.
Told you! Told you! I told you! I told you! I literally told you it was Josh!
What?
I literally told all y'all it was Josh! I told all
I have
y'all!
enough time for one more round.
Who voted
Thank you
for
for
me?
figuring it out.
I did.
I voted for
After I
Bakugo.
died.
I did. I
Your
voted.
sacrifice led to our victory. You were collateral
That
damage.
is true. Yes, that is
Yeah.
No, I'm
true. It led to
positive,
Josh's
guys.
down.
Scientist.
Ooh, I
I
love
got
scientists.
engineer again. I just want to imposter.
Oh yeah, I'm the imposter. Let's go.
Oh, I have 2 minutes left. Okay, Bakugo.
Jesus.
Yeah, just kill.
I was fighting over a favor, for goodness sakes!
Off